Good morning, Dr. Smarjit Patnaik, Apollo Hospitals, Bhubaneswar. I'm a consultant orthopedic surgeon and a joint replacement surgeon. So these are COVID times, these are difficult times. So here I would like to take 5 minutes of your time to make you aware of two important aspects. Like as patients or as persons who have musculoskeletal problems or bone and joint problems, you have to take care of your bones, you have to take care of your joints, you have to take care of muscles. And that can be incorporated into your day-to-day lifestyle by doing regular gentle exercises. And you have to be active, you have to be on a balanced diet, and you have to take care of your comorbid conditions, and you have to be very careful and maintain the classical social distancing, and you have to take your precautions. Now at the same time, being a doctor also, we have got few responsibilities which I would like to impress upon you, that we are also available at Apollo Hospitals, Apollo Group of Hospitals. We don't equate social distancing from medical distancing. So we are always available for you for teleconsultations, and that's the mandate from Government of India, where we can take care of your small little problems which you have at the comfort of your home and the safety of your home, and even we feel safe and comfortable doing that. So apart from that, we have to, again, as orthopedic surgeons and joint replacement surgeons, we have to go through the mandate which is given by our Indian Orthopedic Association. That's it. Because first of all, we are doctors. Secondly, we are orthopedicians, and thirdly only we are surgeons. So it's been like whenever you have been seeing your orthopedic surgeons or a joint replacement surgeons, more often than not you are advised a surgery, but probably you will not find that for the next couple of months. It's because we have to prioritize our treatment. So whatever resources we have to keep it for emergencies and traumas. And whatever elective conditions, however it can be managed, it should be like deferred for a few weeks or months, and any injuries which can be tackled later should be done like that. That's more important, because we as a workforce also have to at times do basic duties of being a doctor to treat somebody who has got this dreaded infection. So that's how it is. So please try to stay safe, stay at home, take care of yourselves, take care of your body. Take care of your joints, take care of your muscles by doing regular exercises, be active, be positive, do reading, have a balanced lifestyle, have a balanced diet, take care of your comorbidities. And also, we are always there with you as surgeons, and we will take care of you as doctors, and we have our priorities, and please try to cooperate with the entire system, because it's new for everybody. And this new is going to be new normal in few weeks or months, and we'll all get used to living like that. Thank you.